Hello, hi guys. I hope you all are good. I hope you all are blessed in Jesus' name. So today we're doing a weekly review of NASDAQ, and here I'm just gonna do Monday's review, right? In this video, yes, I'm just gonna do Monday's review, and then I'll post other videos on the reviews on for other days, right? Yeah, current trend and my previous trend. So my current trend is my uptrend. My previous trend is my downtrend, right? And then this downtrend had a high that is my important level, highest high, and then lowest low, right? And then I look for my important points, right? My important previous highs of this previous trend, right? So previous high of let me just use this because it's a zone and not really at the a level that much, right? So my previous high, it's okay, cool. Background fine, background is fine. Let's extend it to the right. That's my important. I make provision for weeks as well. This is my important for our level. This one is also my important for our level, and another important for our level until we get to that highest high, right? So let me just adjust this properly. Fine. Then because my 4 hour is showing me like an uptrend, so I'm gonna buy until here. We're expecting prices to reach this level right here, right? So from here, I'm gonna buy it till here. I'm just gonna take buys, right? Fine. So then I drop to my 1 hour. My hour 1 hour, I'm gonna use those 1 hour levels to like help me with my like daily take profits if there are any 1 hour levels between my 4 hour levels, right? Let me see. So far there's no. This one would be a very important level on my for on my 1 hour. This would be kind of important to me. Otherwise there's no such as other levels, 1 hour levels, right? So I just go to my 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame, I look for what? I look for my swing low and swing high. So my strategy is saying tells me actually that if my 4 hour is showing me buys on my right on my 30 minutes, I must also look for buys, right? And my buys on my 30 minutes are confirmed by um, price breaking my highest high, right? Price breaking my highest high. So let's see. So here we are, right? This is my very important level, right? So yeah. So 30 minutes, this was previous high. Let me just use a different color. Let's choose yellow. Yeah, that's not extended. Previous high that was broken, and then this is previous high. I know it's called higher highs, but that is very tedious for me to say, so I'm just gonna refer to it as but highs that were broken. This high was broken, this one was broken, this one was broken, right? Fine. So here's my low that is very important to me at this particular moment, right? So I'm expecting buys, right? So I'm gonna only execute buys, and here this is my retest zone. I'm expecting price to come here and retest this point. This when I analyze, I'm expecting price to come from here to here, and then give me in this zone, give me a bullish engulfing or a harami on my 5 minute time frame. So I use my 5 minute time frame to enter, right? So my retest zone, I'm just gonna adjust it a bit to make provision for what my weeks, right? Fine. After doing that, I go to my 5 minute. 5 minutes, I'm looking for what? I'm looking for a harami or a bullish engulfing in that zone, right? Fine. Let's see what this thing has for me. Okay, so here at 2 p.m. we were here. Let me just use this cross line thingy. At 2 p.m. we were here, right? When we were analyzing, so we'd wait for a retest in that zone. So Vela it gave me a retest, a harami, even if it like it wasn't a proper, but yeah, I would have bought there First of all, that's what my thing is telling me. Here's my line, what my long position, right? And then I would want to hold until here, my next 4-hour PVSI, right? Fine, right? This was not bad. Fine, but here it would have taken me out, right? Stop loss hit, right? So now I have to like figure out why it did that. So here I would have been out. So fine, let me just remove everything so that I can see what happened really, right? Let me not remove everything, but let me just remove a few things, right? Yeah, so here let me just go to the 30-minute time frame so I can see clearly what happened after 2 p.m. right? So my issue especially with trading is like stop losses. Don't really know where to place my stop losses, but yeah. So my objective for this upcoming week is to figure out where to place my stop losses, right? So yeah, let's see. So we're at a very strong level, right? This is my strong very strong for our level, right? Zone, whatever. So we saw this is showing me after 2 p.m. actually. It's showing me what a double top, right? Even if it's not a very nice double top, but it is a double top nonetheless, right? This is the one head, the other head, double top, and then it broke the neckline, right? And then retest and shot down a bit. So what I'm learning is that I should like focus, see, wait if ever there's a reversal at my a 30-minute reversal at my 4-hour zone, right? So that I know to avoid that, right? Yeah, and maybe I might just start analyzing at 3 p.m. But sometimes I don't have time to analyze at 3 p.m. I have time to analyze at 2 p.m. So we'll have to fix that as well. But otherwise, say I got in the right, say I got in the right, and put my buy right long position. I don't know where was it. Yeah, somewhere here. Right. Here's my stop loss. Yeah. Okay, it was here. And then I entered and my TP was here. If I didn't have a stop loss, maybe. I don't want to trade like that, but let's just say. And then I would have been in profit and then it would have bought in any cases, right? But I just needed to like, so on Monday it took me out for those buys, right? And then it rejected. The rejected a very, oh, this here was news. It was, I don't know, was it NFP? I can't remember which one it was. Not NFP, I mean CPI or some news, I can't remember. But yeah, some form of news. I'll just check and like, correct it. But yeah, and then it shot up. So my buys were correct, but my stop loss and my entry was the issue. So we have to learn about that. So yeah, then I'll do another video on a review on Tuesday's trades and movement. But yeah, so what I usually do is I analyze at 2 p.m. So I'm just gonna